Chinese forces in the contested Fingers region of Ladakh's Pangong Tso Lake have now inscribed a massive Mandarin character and a map of China on the ground that they have occupied. The images show that the Chinese PLA have consolidated in the region where India's soldiers are being obstructed from patrolling after the violent clashes in May. The images are large and clear enough to be spotted by imagery satellites. The Mandarin symbol and the map illustration measures about 81 meters and is located between the contested Finger 4 and Finger 5 area of patrol along the border. Pangong Lake, located at 14,000 feet in the Himalayas, is divided into 8 fingers. Fingers is the region that refers to the name given to the region that has spurs which extend to the banks of the high altitude lake. India believes that it has the right to patrol from Finger 1 to Finger 8, while China believes it has rights to patrol from Finger 8 to Finger 4. At the moment, Finger 4 is the boundary between the two sides after the violent clash of June 15th. Take a look at what you are seeing here. Chinese constructions, inscriptions and camps that are now visible along the Pangong Lake. Now, Chinese forces no longer permit the Indian soldiers to move for patrolling in the direction of Finger 8. Meanwhile, the Indian and Chinese military yesterday held an over 10-hour-long Corps Commander level dialogue with the focus on finalizing modalities for the disengagement of troops. In the previous 2 rounds of talks, the Indian side demanded immediate withdrawal of Chinese troops from various areas in the region. The Indian and Chinese armies are locked in that bitter standoff in multiple locations in eastern Ladakh for the last 7 weeks now. The tensions escalated manifold after 320. In fact, the tensions had increased manifold after those violent clashes. And during those clashes, 20 Indian soldiers were killed in action in that incident which took place at the Galwan Valley on the 15th of June. The Chinese side also suffered casualties, but it is yet to give out any further details on that front.